In this video, I will show you how to add Uber Plus card to Apple Wallet. So you can only add the Uber Plus card to Apple Wallet if Uber gives you the digital Plus card option in the Uber driver app. If you do not see that option, it means the program may not be available for your account right now. Uber, of course, you can, or inside Uber, you can always check that option. So once you open your Uber driver app, you can always click on the account at the bottom left or right. Once you click on that, you will find the plus card option. So just go and click on that. Of course, first of all, if you find it, that means you are eligible for it and you have it available. But if you don't find it, that means the program may not be available for your account right now. So you'll just have to wait and check every time by going to the account and plus card. If you go and find it and click on it, you will find this option right here. As you can see, use it immediately for shopping, pay orders at any store that accepts Apple Pay, and at checkout, just hold your phone to the card reader. So you'll have the option to add to Apple Wallets. Just go and click on that option to be added to your Apple Wallets directly. And of course, then you'll have just to follow the on-screen instructions. Once it's added, you can always go to your Apple Wallet and open it and review the card details in example, and that you have it already there. So when you go, an example, to pay somewhere, you know for sure that you have it ready. And of course, you can use it for shop and deliver orders. So when you need to pay, open your Apple Wallet, select the card, double click the side buttons and hold your iPhone near the card reader. And the Plus card should be only be used by approved Uber Eats order or Uber orders basically. So any Uber order should be able or eligible and pay or shop and deliver orders using it. Of course, Uber says that the card is authorized only up to the expected order total for that delivery. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.